Recorded on Facebook.
Oh my God.
God is my way.
Hindi ako prepared. Hindi ako prepared. Kaya nahilig mo ang loko. Lumabas ka na dyan. No, Ren, I guess everything I'm going to say is like obvious to you guys. Mahilig siyang mang-asar. Ako yata yung palagi niyang inaasar. Minsan nainggit ako sa relationship niya with the boys kasi parang barkada sila. Tapos ako yung napipili niyang asarin lagi. So, alaskador, nakakatawa, tsaka malalim. Yun yung weird sa kanya. Parang on the surface, I think when Kuya Bob said na nga na introvert siya, sobrang niniwala ko. Kasi nakita ko yun sa time namin together, na parang he looks so jolly on the outside and like super friendly, but in reality, pinipili niya lang talaga yung mga taong magiging kaibigan niya tsaka mahal niya. So, ayun, pero isa siya sa mga nakatrabaho ko na matagal, kaya nga yata ako yung napili niyang asalin kasi namin projects together. So, and I find it as, yun, Carino Bertado, ganyan siya sa akin. And many times, as I got older and we drifted apart, I mean, like, he has his life, of course, we have our lives here. Naisip ko na, sayang no, sana nakilala ko, parang I can have more time with Red again. Kasi how he was as a person before. Sobrang bata ko pa na hindi ko fully na-appreciate kung sino siya. And yun, sana, nilook forward ko sana yun. This coming year, we were supposed to see each other. I wanted to ask him so many things, like his family, and I bet, like, how he is as a dad, I wanted to know that, na parang ask-order ko siya sa mga anak niya. So yun yung mga things na gusto kong malaman na never ko nang malalaman. And I guess a loss is like that. It will never have like a super happy ending. We can only be hopeful about some things, but a loss is a loss. And we're all sad about it. But I guess all I can really say and share na I'm grateful about is that I'm glad that we got to love Red and that Red got to love us.